How to fix Valorant cannot sign in. Sorry, we are having trouble signing you in right now error. First step, open Riot client, click it, click profile icon, click settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click the Valorant, click it, scroll down, click repair and click start repair and wait for some times. Is actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after successfully repaired, a message will pop up. Click OK. And the next step, one more time click profile icon, click account settings and log in. This page will appear. The account management page. In this, click login management. Click log out of everywhere. Click it and click confirm. Successfully logged out. Close it and move on with next step. Open run. Type the following text. Services.msc. Click OK. Scroll down and search for VGC services. Right click it, click properties. The startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. If it stopped means you need to click start. Wait for some times. The service status is running. Make sure it, click apply and OK and one more time right click and restart it. Close it. Next step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Scroll down, click advanced network settings. Click network reset. Click reset now and reset your network. Thank you.